Hello. Today we are going to multiply 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. 11 times 4. This is a fact that we've actually learned in class, that 11 times 4 is 44. But take a look as I solve this. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. That's interesting. Let's take a look at this one, 10 times 8. Well, 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. So 10 times 8 is 80. So these two were simple. But what about a problem like this? 12 times 6. We've learned if we've practiced our 12s that 12 times 6 is 72. But watch what happens. I'm going to put my marker and start at my 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So I'm going to put my 2 here, and I'm going to carry my 1. So I'm going to keep my 1's place 2, and I'm going to carry the 1 from my 10's place. Now I'm going to do 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Let's try that again. Now it's 35 times 5. You could skip count by 5 35 times if you wanted, but let's make it easier. Let's start with this 5 here. 5 times 5 is 25. Put your 5, carry your 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. We get an answer of 175. Let's check our answer with a quick estimate. I'm going to round my 35 to 40, keep my 5 the same. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, and if I add my 0, I should get an answer of about 200, and 175 is close to 200. Let's try 2 more. 23 times 5. Start with our 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Put our 5, carry our 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Let's try another one. 35 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. We put our 0, carry our 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. If we wanted to try this out with an estimate, 35 becomes 40, and keep our 4. 40 times 4 is 160, very close. 2 more problems. 21 times 8. Start with our 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, and we get an answer of 168. The quick estimate, we can do 20 times 8. So I'm just rounding my 2-digit number to the nearest 10 or its highest place value, keeping my single digit as is, keep my 8 and 8. 2 times 8 is 16, and we add a 0. And it's very close. 168 is close to 160. And our last problem, I'll start with our estimate. 34 will round to 30, keep our 9 and 9. So our answer should be very close to 3 times 9 is 27, and add a 0. Our answer should be close to 270. 9 times 4 is 36. Put our 6, carry our 3. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 3 is 30, and we get an answer of 306.